We're going to stay there tonight and look at these views.
Hello, I'm Rianne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business, rented out our house and quit our jobs to travel the world for a year.
Good morning. We found a little place to stay last night. It was just off the highway, little hiking area, little car park before you go there. So we stayed there. It was about 2 miles out from Bern. So this morning, obviously we've got no data in Switzerland. We haven't really done any research, so we need to go into Bern, hopefully find a Starbucks or something, get some Wi-Fi, sort our lives out. So that'll be the first port of call. So we are heading into Bern. One thing I will say about Switzerland, graffiti everywhere, which I do appreciate. I do like graffiti. Just didn't expect it, that's all. I spoke to a guy. He said we can park here because they're not working today, and he said jump on the number 10 bus and he takes us straight downtown, and there should be like quite a few things to get Wi-Fi. So we're on to a bit of a winner, but we'll see.
2 tickets for the number 10 bus. These were 18 Swiss francs. Still don't know what the money is out there, but hopefully number 10 bus and we'll be somewhere.
So it turns out that Swiss plugs and UK plugs are different, so I'm just nipping up with Digitech to get a plug adapter. What a nightmare. I know, I didn't know that. Well, after 2 shops, I think we found the right thing. Give it a go, Graham.
Well, we're in a Starbucks in Switzerland, and for a black coffee and a green tea, very basic drinks, it cost us £10.
We are in Switzerland for a few days, and we haven't got a drone since we lost it. Well, got it stolen in Ecuador. There's one thing we got to do. We can't go to Switzerland without getting a drone. So let's get a drone. We've got it. We've got the drone.
So after buying the drone, we got a bit peckish and we saw this very large pizza. So we've got one to share. She's cut it into 6 slices for us very nicely. This was 7.90 Swiss francs, which I'm going to say is around probably £7. Quite expensive. Hope this fills us up for 2 days. Let's go in for the bite. We're not very elegant eaters, are we? Crispy base, fluffy top, nice toppings.
Cheesy?
Delicious. Not overly though, good cheesy. And it's not stingy as well, there's loads on it. You'd think for that price you'd get loads as well. Well, that was a delicious pizza. Nice and healthy for lunch, wasn't it?
That was well nice, yeah.
But that's filled us both up. I've still got room if I find like something sweet I've got to try. Definitely got to try Switzerland chocolate. That is my must. But where are we heading now, Benny?
We're heading to the old town. The old town is totally car free. No cars are allowed in the old town.
Just found like a little market in the old town with like fresh fruit and veg, and they've got white asparagus. I've never seen white asparagus. And there's even a little stall like selling like bracelets, necklace, little trinkets. I've always got to have a little mooch in one of the local supermarkets. Supermarket Migros, got 2 ice creams, a drink, rice cakes and chocolate, and it came to 8 Swiss francs. I didn't think that was bad.
Yeah, the supermarket is about the same as England.
So we thought it was cheaper than buying an ice cream from a vendor. Bern's is surrounded by water on all 3 sides. This is from back in the old days to stop invasions happening. Clever. So we got this drink in the supermarket. I have no idea what it is. But
It's called a Prego.
Oh yeah.
She's Prego.
But 0, so it's not fatty. It's fizzy.
Fizzy.
I have no idea how to describe that.
Pass.
Your turn.
Same, don't know.
I'd say it is a lemonade, but not as strong.
Yeah, maybe.
When we get Wi-Fi, we'll Google what it is, or you can write comment down below. Do you know what this drink is?
A Prego. It's not horrible though, is it?
No, it's nice.
Yeah.
I'll drink it.
So Bern is called the City of Fountains just because of all the fountains. There's so many fountains. And I think I found my favourite one.
We're in the old town and we've come off on this like little side street. How beautiful are these buildings? They've all got like red roses in them and like shutters on the window. It's all the way down there. We've got to have a little stroll, haven't we?
Yeah.
I'm not even joking, I nearly fell down there. Ben shouted at me, he was like, watch out! We've been told that you should never buy water out here because there's water fountains everywhere and it's fresh water.
Someone just filled their bottle up there.
Oh, we should finish that and then fill it up. I know what I think it tastes like. Lucasade. I knew it. I knew there was something. Now, we can't remember where we got the bus from.
Waldeck, yeah?
Here comes our bus. Alright, moment of truth. The moment we parked the car there, we were like, is this a good idea? Well, we're back now.
It'll be clamped.
It'll be gone, even worse. We ain't got a home, we ain't got clothes. I actually have been nervous all day. Ooh, what do you think? Imagine how much a fine is out here. Oh, it's there, it's still there. Has it got nothing on it? I'll be that lucky.
See nothing on it?
No, I can't. It's probably on the other side hiding.
Swiss people are very nice. This man kindly told us where to park, and our car's still there, and it's absolutely fine. Thank you very much, and this was free. So you want to know where this is? It's near the Shell garage, at the Waldeck stop. One bus, number 10, and you're down to the centre. Park there for free, only on the weekends, because otherwise they're working. They won't have it. So we are, according to my phone, we are 3 minutes away from where we got to park. I've used an app that says places we could park overnight for free. So hopefully, there's only 2 spaces there, hopefully they're not taken, but it's just down the road here, so we'll see. I've seen a few spaces though, so we could just try somewhere else.
Whoa. So we've literally parked our car right there, as you can see, and then we got that massive waterfall in the middle of the town. This town is incredible. It is surrounded by like old wooden houses with like little balconies on them, shutters. We're gonna have a little wander and see what's here. The town we're in is Lord Turberon. It seems to be quite busy with tourists. Are we gonna do it?
Let's do it for the vlog.
We do it for you guys. This is gonna be hard. We have not done no walking or trekking or hiking or anything like this since Everest Base Camp.
Not even I, it's only there.
Yeah, but I'm really unfit. I have no idea how I did Everest Base Camp. Look at that underground bunker.
It's like an underground World War II bunker, isn't it?
It is. I don't know where we're going. I thought we were going to a waterfall, but...
Hello?
Hello! I don't want to get wet. Well, for some reason we're queuing. We don't really know what for. We're going under the waterfall or just next to it? Not worth it. Don't come up. You're just literally queuing to look at splashes of water. You could have seen better view at the bottom.
Yeah, the waterfall's there. You can't see it.
It's silly. I don't know why we're queuing. But we've got here, so we're going to the end. We're getting the picture. And that's it.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Ben, do a kiss pose with me. No, not a boxing pose, a kiss pose. Come on, Ben. He's pretending he can't hear me. I think he's pretending he's not with me. Ben!
So we're in Switzerland, it's beer review time, number 7,767. So we left Bern and we're heading up to the Alps and we just stopped en route and I've got one of the local beers. I'm gonna dive straight in, that's what I do. That's right, nice and smooth. Gonna keep it simple, 8 out of 10.
How much did that beer cost you, Ben?
Only a $5.
It's not bad.
No, ain't bad.
So this is actually our third drone. The first one, we got lost in the tree. The second one got stolen from our backpack in Banos, Ecuador. And we finally decided we had to get one because we're in Switzerland and you can't not have a drone in Switzerland.
But we're going for the same drone.
Yeah, the DJI Mini 2, because we looked at it and got along with it, so.
We found a place to camp, I think. You happy with this? Yeah. So, have a look. We're going to stay there tonight. And look at these views.
Not a bad view to go to sleep to, is it?
I know, isn't it? Class.
So tonight, dears, homemade curry. Nah, joking. Tin curry. Royce, pompadons, sat here, right next to a lake. How's it, Ben?
It's not too bad actually. It's acceptable.
Don't walk too fast, remember your legs are bigger than mine. So we just went in the super... So the town we're in is Lord Berberon. It's on the...
No, Lord Turberon.